Before some days ago, Facebook Messenger makes their biggest update like WhatsApp, that whenever the sender and the sender send a message to its receiver, and before the receiver send this message and the sender thinks that this message should be deleted, so she just delete this message. That time the receiver can't see these messages and these messages has been deleted for both sides. Now it may be good for someone, but it may be bad for someone too. So this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about how you can see those deleted messages in the Facebook Messenger which is sent by your friends or the others, and he just deleted it before you make it seen. Now how you can do this in this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about. I'm sajidz, sign up here with you guys in Sajidz Tech. So start this video without further making any delay. So here it is, this is my messenger, and now I'm going to talking with you about guys. For that, first of all, you need to go to in the Play Store and install an app in your Android mobile phone. It's called Notisave, and you need to install it in your Android mobile phone as the way you install it the other apps in your mobile. So here it is, this is the Notisave installed in my mobile phone. Now I need to open it, so click on the open to open it, or you can open it from the app list in your mobile phone. And now you need to click on this right arrow and then click on the right arrow again, and now click on the allow, and now click on the next, and from here you need to click on the Notisave, enable it. Now click on the allow. To allow it, everything is okay for you guys to start your things up there. Now you need to go to back and your things are done here, and now click on the allow to make it allow, and here it is, the Notisave is here. Now click on this three dot from here, and here it is, the block notifications. That means here you need to click here, and here have all those apps are blocked from getting notification, and from here you need to off some apps from here. Suppose like that, go to down, and here it is, this is the messenger, it's off. If you get that this messenger is on, that time you need to make it off, because it will not block your message here. And here it is, the WhatsApp, it's also not blocked here, and if you get that it's also blocked, you need to make it off from there. Or you can do one thing, is that you need to make it on and then make it off. That means every apps are now on here, and from every apps this Notisave will get notification and notify you here for every app here, and it also are good things for you. Now here it is, now it's time for test. Now from here, another messenger, I send another message to here from me, and it's a demo message, and here it is, the message, the chat head is how are you. Now I don't make it seen here. Now I just delete this message from here. Here it is, this message, Rajiv removed a message. That means the message has deleted from here. Now here it is, now the time for the Notisave. Here it is, here you can get it, the notification saver here. Now click on this Notisave here. This is the messages, Rajiv Hassan, say me how are you, and these messages is deleted here in Messenger, and here it is, this is the message. And by that way you can get those messages which are deleted by the sender, but you want to see those messages, and from that you need to click on this all, and here you can get it there, or if you can also get it here in this chat, and by that you can also get it there. And if you want to get notify you in the shortcuts, that time it will be also here. If these things are like that in the cross, the time I refer you to on it by that, by clicking it again. And here it is, now the time you can get notified here in this shortcut. If you are in the offline and this Wi-Fi or the data connection may be off, that time it also works. And whenever you are in the online, that time you will get those notifications as there. And I refer you guys to use that here to get it there. And here guys, this is the one and only and the easiest way for you guys to get those deleted message from your friends. So that's it from me guys. Anyway guys, what's about this video? Is it really helpful for you guys? And if it is really helpful for you, then I request you, please give a thumbs up this video. Comment below on this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe is the must. And here, hopefully guys, we will meet in our next video. And till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.